Jace,
Hey.
wake up. What are you doing?
Oh, just had the best night's sleep ever.
Man, I'll tell you what is this?
This is a Wiselift chair?
Wiselift chair.
Yeah.
Who makes that?
Greg Cohen at Wiselift. This vibrates and gives heat, so it helps your body with circulation. If you're an amputee or you're an elderly person, it actually stands you up to get you on your prosthetics to help you out, so it helps your hips and back.
Nice. So basically, in our homes, with Rebuilding Our Heroes, this is multifunctional.
It is multifunctional.
So it could be like a media room, a workstation, your bed. This is phenomenal. Well, I want to thank Greg Cohen at Wiselift. What we're doing at Rebuilding Our Heroes, for our heroes like Jace, is we're hiring and housing veterans, and we're using reclaimed, recycled, and biodegradable materials, and we're integrating them in the construction process. It's eco-friendly homes, and it's for vets built by vets. It's not a handout, it's a way.
It's a hand up. Put your best foot forward.